Hey guys, it's Crafty here again with another plan with me, and just like last time, I will decorate a whole new blank page with die cuts and cutouts from the last Cocoa Daisy printables, which is free on their website. So I hope you will enjoy this part and stick with me to the part where I start planning. So as you can see, I am almost done with my page, decorating it, and I really like how this came together. I just need to let it dry for a few, or more like 10 minutes, and yeah, so this is the page in whole. It's lovely, isn't it? And as long as I have let it dry, my lighting, which is the sun, went away and some clouds came in, so I had to do another form of lighting, and you will see it always almost throughout the video. So I'm sorry for that. And as per usual, I am adhering my page to my dory, my flip out page, and I want to say that maybe this was my third box from Cocoa Daisy, and with this theme and these daisies and bees theme was my absolute favorite from amongst those 3 boxes. So I am pretty sad. This is the last week for August, and I am sad because this is the last time I will be using for planning this kit, and the next kit hasn't arrived yet, as I am doing this voiceover, which is not so good because the weekend, today is the 29th of August, so we are pretty far to September. And I still don't have a planner set up for the September, because the Cocoa Daisy one is always my main planner for the whole month. So I may have just search for some replacement in this part. But as I said, this kit was very much to my liking, and I loved to create with it, and it gave me a lot of inspiration, and it also gave me a lot of how do you say it? No, I would say more that it took away most of my insecurities about decorating my planner and about planning. So I might do some things differently coming next month, but I will speak about this more in my flip through of my August planner. And yeah, here I am using the Cocoa Daisy stamp pads that came in the July kit, the memory keeping and the planner main kit. They come with additional stamp pads, and being 100% honest, they are not so good because the surface of the stamp pad is rock hard. And I mean it. It's rock hard, and you have to dab it, I don't know, more than 2 or 3 times, and I am, after 3 times of dabbing it on my acrylic, on my clear stamps, I am still not sure if it's good enough, and you will see I will have to double stamp one of my the notes and inspiration section, which I am using weekly. And now this is one of my favorites from Cocoa Daisy. This came also in the July kit. And my pad is there. Oh gosh. Sorry. This came also in the July kit, in the planner main kit. It's a very useful stencil, and I just love it, absolutely. You can do habit trackers, you can do flags, you can do small flags, you can do long flags, you can do thick flags, you can do almost everything with it. And it's just fun to use, so it was very useful and a good addition to that planner kit. And I also have some new ideas for the September kit, as I have seen it after reveal, this Owls and Moons. I don't know, I have mixed feelings about that one, because I do love the theme of nighttime and I love the theme of owls, but I'm not sure. Oh yeah, I am sticking down the Cocoa Daisy sticker and the reveal flag on the 28th, and it's very funny because it's the reveal is Central Standard Time, 8 p.m. I guess, on the 28th. Maybe I'm wrong, but anyway, it's usually I am sleeping through the reveal, because when you have the reveal time, we have 3 a.m. around here where I live, so that's the first thing I check in the morning, the kids and how do they look and everything. So I have checked them out already, and yeah, pumpkin, this will be the October kit, will be the pumpkin spice, and it looks good. I love the colors, but I don't know, I will have to look some more. So, and I am sticking down here these standalone checklist flags, flag lists. Yeah, they came in my latest order from Run with Craft Scissors as a freebie, and I love them, and the color green coordinates with my planner very good, so of course I am using them. And here I am just decorating and seeing which days will be busy work-wise, I mean, so that I can decorate them, because I won't will be doing much, because I will be at work. So yeah, that will be pretty much it. I am just filling out my Monday and Tuesday to-do list, because I have a lot to do before the end of the month, and I will stick down that one little piece of honeycomb pattern paper, which I love very much. And yeah, I am saving up for a new paper cutter, the trimmer. I'm sorry, because this one is not so good, and I don't want to order new new blades for it. I just want to buy a new one, because it's as you can see, the edges are never clean and I have to recut them with my scissors. So, and if you have to recut and even out things, then that paper trimmer must go, in my opinion. So yeah, that will be it, and this is pretty much my spread for this week, actually, because we are already into that. I hope you enjoyed this video, and I hope you have found some inspiration all in that what I have done, and we will see each other in my next video. And be prepared, it will be something very, very new for you guys. Thank you so much. Bye bye.